Okay, I decided to make one of those stock pool tanks, swimming pool vibes for my casita. And in this video, I'm gonna kind of break down the numbers, some of the equipment that I got, and actually how easy it really was. The reason why I got the stock tank is I have a casita and I got this big giant deck. It's beautiful that we built. The casita does pretty good. It books, but in the summertime, it's really not getting that many bookings. It kind of slows down and it's 115 degrees out here. So I figured if I add a cool Cowboy tub, it's a water feature, at least people can cool off. Now, my other option was I was gonna get a hot tub, but a hot tub was a minimum of like $6,000, maybe $4,000 for like a 2-seater, but then I need to get 220 power, and I'm pretty much completely maxed out on my power. So I could not get 220, couldn't get a hot tub. So I had to rule that out. That's why I turned to a stock tank, Cowboy pool. They look really cool. It's that Instagram moment. So I'm kind of hoping that's gonna bring some new traction to the casita, some bookings and whatnot. Amazon shopping list, which I'm gonna go ahead and put the link below. This is everything I used for the stock tank, the water treatment, the filters, the pole, and that was $520. The link will be below. That's everything you pretty much need for this stock tank. And then we had to put it all together. I'm not the most handy person on the planet, so I hired my handyman just to make sure I was doing things right. We had to run electrical and get an outlet next to it and make it safe and all that. So that's electrical, some extra wood to build around, which I'll show you guys around to hide the equipment. Makes it look a lot cooler. You can use it as a bench. Some screws, some hinges, the labor itself, $250. So the grand total pretty much is about $1,020. $1,020. It looks really freaking cool and way cheaper than a hot tub. Let me just take a few minutes of your time. I hope you're enjoying this video. You probably hear about me talk about this all the time, but you really got to protect yourself if you're a property manager or you own your own vacation rentals. Best solution I have found is Super Hog. You hear me say it all the time. You can do a rental agreement on there. You can do a security deposit, a waiver, background checks, which is legal in Arizona. We have to run background checks. You can do this all in the platform. It's awesome. Super Hog has up to $5 million in damage protection plan. Let's say the kid breaks something. You don't have to go after every single guest for a small incidental. Super Hog will help cover you that. You don't have to go to air cover every time, because we all know air cover is. I use this on all of my properties. I'm always telling people you should do this. You can set it up the way you like it. Right now, I do a $50 waiver to my guests, but also make sure you're very clear in your listing description that you use Super Hog so guests are aware of it before they book and during the process. So the link is below. Check them out. Please fill it out, the information. They are amazing. If you have any questions, reach out to me. Let's get back to the video. Now, a lot of people say, how was it putting together? I'm really not handy. And you can see in the videos, myself and the guy pretty much put it together in like 2 hours, maybe an hour. It was actually really, really easy. The only kind of complicated part was the pool equipment itself, the pump. Just trying to know like what cycle to put it on and how to clean it, make sure nothing was leaking. We did have like 1 or 2 little leaks, but we got that fixed. That was the hardest part really, but for the most part, it was super easy. I ended up also getting a cover because in Arizona it's really hot and the water was kind of evaporating too fast. So I'm going to possibly do some other things too. Possibly. I'm not completely done with it, but I'm kind of thinking of hiring a muralist that's gonna paint around the side, instead of just that metal, do some beautiful design, desert theme, I think would be really, really cool. Just add some color to it. And then maybe on the side of my wall I was gonna paint just to add some life, add a couple more plants, just make it like a full vibe back there. So that's the plan. I'll show you the final, but here is what it looks like now, and take a look.